Our double wire chain link fence machine primarily consists of 4 sections: wire forming, weaving, edge locking, and net collection. Starting with the wire forming section, 2 metal wires are fed from both sides of the machine through the straightening device into the mold, where they are bent into a wavy shape. Once the set length is reached, the wires are cut. Meanwhile, the advancing wires pass through the previously formed parallel double wires. After the positioning pins release, one weaving cycle is completed. One of the key advantages of our double wire chain link fence machine is its ability to weave 2 sections simultaneously, significantly improving weaving efficiency. However, the operation of the 2 wires remains independent, meaning if one wire is lacking of raw materials, weaving can resume seamlessly after replenishment, further enhancing production efficiency. Next is the edge locking section. After edge locking, the machine proceeds directly to automatic rolling. If required, we offers 2 types of edge finishes: twisted and knuckled. The entire process is controlled by a PLC system, with the PLC brand customizable according to customer needs. Additionally, control is provided for emergency stops to ensure operator safety. A full set of operation tools is also included for easy installation and maintenance of the equipment. If you need, contact us please.